Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, September 12th, 2024. This market just it's been pretty confusing lately. We were just kind of jockeying around. This is a short-term chart right here. So we were just kind of jockeying back and forth. We had this head fake move down, and then from there, once we took out these highs, we started really picking up momentum. And when we got up to these levels here, this is where I sent out an alert to, that I was buying some spider puts, and they were expiring on next Monday. And really, my main reason is I'm looking for a retracement to come somewhere into this zone right here, anywhere from the 23% retracement down to the 38. So it's an actual workout. You got 55.56 and then down to the 55.26. So it's a decent move down, and that's the reason why I did take that short position. And then I wanted to hedge it, and I took a call position that expires tomorrow, so they were cheaper just in case something happened. And then we got this massive move down, and there's really no news or anything that was there, and it seemed like it was like the reverse that was going on here, where we were going down hard and then we just reversed. And you can see this came down. Once it got to the support level, we had buyers step in, and we closed closer to the highs and the lows. But that doesn't really change it. Whether it happens tomorrow or Monday, we're going to get anywhere from if it's going to be a minor one, it's going to be anywhere from 50 to 75 points. If it's going to go a little deeper, then we could be looking at anywhere from 100 to 200 points. But right now, I'm just looking for the pullback on it. That's what this trade is for. So we have bearish divergences, but that's just on a 5-minute chart. We have bearish divergences on the 15-minute chart here. And if we just look at wave structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5. So again, that's why we're getting these sell signals here. And if we look at an hourly chart, this is why I'm saying I'm expecting just a pullback. And this is the reason. You look on the daily chart, we do not have any type of sell signal on the price oscillator. You can see we have a little bit here on the momentum indicator, and then the RSI is pretty high up. And this is really the resistance line that the bears have to defend, the 55.97. And that's one of the reasons why, when I put out that trade to short the SPY, I said just put a stop if you see the spiders go to 560, because the fractal pattern is probably going to be over, and we would we just look for it to continue higher. And it's a very minimal risk, because we weren't even getting short until up here. So if we're up at the 55.90, I think it was right around 55.90 is where I said this is the S&P 500, the SPX. I did the spiders, so it's a little bit different on it, but it was in the 59 levels in there, and it popped up and then came down. But like I said, if we end up just getting stopped, if they gap it up tomorrow, we don't have to worry about it, because we still have the calls, so we could just sell those. And if it ends up doing what I believe it's going to, then we should see some type of pullback. But I'm just not sure if this is going to happen tomorrow or they're going to wait for Monday. But I think we'll have a pretty good idea at the open with it, and know what to do from there. So if the bulls head higher, then we're probably coming up to this next breakdown candle, and that's going to be at the 56.25 level. The bears need to get through really this right around this 55.50. If they do that, then we're going to get a reaction trade down to the 55.13, more likely down to the 5500. So that would give us the 100 points to the downside. But right now, like I said, I'm anticipating one of these levels to hold. So this is just a trade, but you need, we need to see the bears step in. Every time they try to bring price down, they get, pushed aside, and then we see price come back up. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.